Jai Hind cadets, myself DR Sonone, Defense Career Academy Aurangabad. I hope you have seen my previous video, that is gravitation part 1. In that I have explained the type of question and the concept about the Newton's law of gravitation and gravity and variation of gravity, right. So today we have to see the concept of weightlessness and launching of satellite, that is gravitation part 2. So let's start the session. Weightlessness condition is related with the satellite actually, but if we have to study that concept on the surface of earth, we are considering the example of lift. If we consider a lift with 4 conditions, first condition, if we consider, if lift is at rest, or we can say moving with a constant speed, moving with constant speed. So there are important points we have to learn and remember about this condition is that, तो मैं यहाँ पे एक लिफ्ट निकाल रहा हूँ, ये लिफ्ट, एंड द पर्सन इज स्टैंडिंग इन द लिफ्ट ऑन द वेइंग मशीन, ये वेइंग मशीन है, राइट. सो इन दिस कंडीशन इफ यू कंसिडर लिफ्ट इज एट रेस्ट एंड if we consider the force, that is weight of the person vertically downward, and we know that the equal and opposite force acted by the surface on the body, that is normal reaction. So if lift is at rest, it means weight of the person is balanced by the normal reaction applied by the surface. So here we can write normal reaction is equals to mg. In such condition, the weighing machine will record exact real weight. So it will record which weight? That is real weight of the person. Real weight. If we consider 50 Newton is a weight of the person, then that weighing machine will record the 50 Newton in this condition if lift is at rest or moving with a constant speed. So this one is the first condition. Second condition is that if we consider, if lift is moving upward, lift is moving upward with, we can say, some acceleration a. So we just draw a diagram. Here is a person standing on the weighing machine and lift is moving upward with acceleration a, for example. We know that again weight of the person is vertically downward and normal reaction applied by the surface, that is equals to n. So here in this case, if lift is moving upward, it means upward force is greater than downward force, then and then that lift can move upward. It means the normal reaction in this case is greater than weight of the person. So by how much force that lift is moving upward, for calculating that force we can use Newton's second law, that is F equals to ma, and this ma is nothing but the difference between normal reaction and the force which is opposing the upward motion of the lift, that is mg. It means n minus mg, n minus mg. So for total normal reaction we applied by the surface is nothing but the, we can say, mg plus ma. So if we take common m here, g plus a in bracket. So normal reaction is what? M in bracket g plus a. This one is total normal reaction applied by the surface on the person when lift is moving upward. But what about the reading in weighing machine? In this case, when normal reaction is greater, that time that weighing machine will record more weight than a real weight. What will happen? When normal reaction is more, that time weighing machine will record it, or we can say lift is moving upward, the weighing machine will record more weight than a real weight. In first condition I have told you that if we consider 50 Newton weight of the person, in this case that weighing machine will record more than 50 Newton. Weight will be increased. That weight is nothing but the apparent weight. That is not a real weight. So third condition, again, if we consider lift is moving downward, if lift is moving downward, lift is moving downward with, we can say, some acceleration a. So first of all we draw diagram here. Here is a person inside the lift and standing on a weighing machine. If we consider a lift is moving downward with acceleration a, we know that weight of the person is vertically downward and the force applied by the surface, that is normal reaction, vertically upward. But if lift is moving downward, we can say in that case the total upward force is greater than downward force. It means weight of the person will be greater than normal reaction. So to find the total force acting on the lift when moving vertically downward, we can write again by Newton's second law, F equals to ma, and here mg is greater than n. It means the difference between weight of the person and normal reaction is total force, remaining force by which lift is moving downward. So here we can write for normal reaction, total normal reaction, that is equals to mg minus ma, and m is common here, g plus a. So this total amount of normal reaction applied on the body when lift is moving downward. So what about the weight recording in a weighing machine? So here what happened, when there is a normal reaction, here is g minus a actually. So when normal reaction is less, that time the weighing machine will record less weight than a real weight. So here we can write less weight than real weight. So these three conditions are very important. Another one condition is also there, but just remember three conditions. If lift is at rest, then normal reaction is nothing but the weight of the person, that is equals to mg, and weighing machine inside the lift will record real weight of the person. Second condition is that if lift is moving upward, in that case the acceleration is a in upward direction, that time normal reaction is greater than mg, then and then lift can move upward. So here normal reaction is mg plus a, it means normal reaction is more here. That time weighing machine will record more weight than a real weight. And third condition is that if lift is moving downward, it means weight of the person will be greater than normal reaction applied by the surface. Then n is here mg minus a, which is very less value. That time weighing machine will record less weight than a real weight. And the last condition is that, so we will see the last condition, which is very important. Many times question is asked in a ND examination, that is condition of free fall. So if we consider the wire, or we can say cable of the lift will break. If we consider wire or cable of the lift will break, so what happened? Here is the lift and here is the person inside the lift standing on the weighing machine. If we consider this wire is break, so condition of that lift and the person is nothing but the free fall, because in this condition that system, or we can say lift and the person, is in the influence of gravity. So they get acceleration due to gravity. So that time the downward acceleration is due to the gravity. So here is the g. We know that again normal reaction and weight of the person, that is mg and n. So here what happened? The total force is nothing but the mg. Total force is mg. If we consider this condition, mg and n condition, in that case we can write mg, total force applied on the body in free fall condition, equals to n plus mg. So here normal reaction is what then? Mg minus Mg is what? So normal reaction becomes 0. तो जब भी बॉडी फ्री फॉल कंडीशन में होता है, टोटल नॉर्मल रिएक्शन अप्लाइड ऑन द बॉडी इज इक्वल्स टू 0. सो दैट बॉडी विल फील लाइक वेटलेसनेस, राइट? The body will feel zero weight of the body, right? So normal reaction will be 0 and weighing machine will record which weight? 0 weight. So these are the 4 conditions of weightlessness. Actually these conditions are related to the satellite, but for study on the surface of earth we are taking the example of the lift. So these are the 4 conditions. Again I am repeating. In first condition, lift is at rest, normal reaction equals to weight of the person. The weighing machine in the lift will record exact real weight of the person. But in second condition, when lift is moving upward, in that condition what will happen? The normal reaction will be greater than weight of the person. In that case, weighing machine will record more weight than the real weight. That more weight is nothing but the apparent weight of the person. And in third case, when lift is moving downward with acceleration A, that time weight of the person will be greater than normal reaction. In this case what happened? The weighing machine will record less weight than a real weight. And last condition, that is nothing but the condition of free fall. If the wire of the lift will break, then the complete system is in the influence of gravity. The total acceleration for downward motion is the acceleration due to gravity. That mg cancels each other and the normal reaction of the system becomes 0 and the body will feel 0 weight and weighing machine will also record a 0 weight in that case. इस कंडीशन में जब तक वो ग्राउंड पे स्ट्राइक नहीं होगा तब तक the weighing machine will record 0 weight of the person. So these are the 4 conditions. I hope कि आपको ये समझ में आया होगा और आप इसके ऊपर कोई भी क्वेश्चन आया तो सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, राइट?